It feels so good, man. Just to get up and go.
Oh, I got you. You got a lot. How long you been going yours?
2 months. No, not 2 months. Girl, this is 2 months.
They look like at least 6 months worth of growth.
This is like 9 months.
9 months.
Yeah, it's about right. You get a little shrinkage. You get about 6 months. You get thicker. It takes about 2 to 3 months for it to lock up.
Yeah, that's what I was telling the girl. She was going to her hair. She got some of those some of those coils. She went from straight hair to. They not told her like you can't wash it, you can't keep going to get it retwisted, and then you gotta straight just let it lock itself up. So what you do is you start putting stuff in it to make it lock itself up. Like some of that dread spray, what's that stuff called? That lime. Yeah.
Oh, that stuff that you put in your hair and smell like lemon.
Yeah. Then I use the coconut to keep the dandruff. The coconut or red coconut spray. That's what mixed it. Then I take a little water in the little mist bottle and spray it so they can be thick.
Mom, you need to get some of those clear bottles with that, like different colors in there, like spray it. Your hair.
I already got one. I just use my old B&B bottle, just put some water in it and just mix it. I mixed it like 3 times a day. In the morning when I wake up, at lunch, and at nighttime. So they can eat food, so they can get thick. Because my hair is also in a lot. I think that that's the best way to get her.
So it's an extension.
This, because my hair texture, or the texture of my hair was like unraveling after dread.
So you got an extension to thicken it up a little bit?
You said I got who?
Did you get an extension to thicken it up a little bit? Where you want your part at? Or do you want a part in the middle?
In the middle.
That's also good.
Fix my car. Cut it into a shape. You can cut it into a shape.
Yeah.
Cut less than 1/4 of an inch off. So she maintains the length, and as it grows out, clip the end. So it's good to clip the ends like get maybe 1/4 of an inch every month of new growth. All I'm doing is if you look down, see where it's splitting off at. I'm clipping this part, so that way it grows healthy. Not too much off.
I can get one of those. Yeah.
Fine below. Brentwood.
Yeah, and I need one of them things that go like right here, like a light.
So the channel from.
I already started it.
Never remember you will, you just keep going until you get there.
See?
Pop Tart, man. You like Pop Tarts?
Yep.
That's funny. My favorite is strawberry.
I like strawberry. I like blueberry too.
Warming up this
Blueberry is good.
overtime.
The meaning of overtime. Overtime is like when you getting up like stuff, like money.
Basketball sense, overtime would be when the game is tied and you get an extra inning.
Get extra minute.
The extra time.
To see when the game is going to be.
Like against the Warriors and the Golden State.
She said she's trying to work overtime, so she's trying to work extra hours so she can get a car.
Oh, that makes sense. I'm gonna show you how to wrap your hair. Like Lil Wayne said, you're gonna be the best rapper alive. You probably don't understand what I'm saying. So to be the best rapper, this is called hair wrap, okay? This is how you're gonna maintain your hair. This is called a paddle brush, or a wig brush. Just feel it. You gotta get one of these at home, okay?
You might go to the interview.
Like you comb your hair. All the way around your hair. All the way around your hair like that. Like, I need you to hold it right here. Take the saran wrap and wrap it. It's called a silk wrap. When I get close to here, I need you to shift your hand going this way, okay? I'm pushing it in the dryer. It's gonna do what it do. I'm just showing you how to wrap it, okay? Because when you go to sleep at night, you know that to maintain your hairstyle, you gotta learn how to wrap it. So that's why I showed you how to wrap it, because it's gonna help you maintain your hair. Okay? It's something very valuable to know as a young lady. You know how to wrap it. That's how you keep your hairstyle nice. Okay? What kind of brush we use? It's called a wig brush or a paddle brush. Okay. We're gonna go under the dryer.